This is your reading for today. We are looking at the question, what is the wonderful surprise that is going to come into your life very soon? There are two piles over here. This one is pile A and this one is pile B. So you can choose your piles and I will start with pile A. What is the wonderful surprise that is coming into your life very soon? Excuse me. Okay, the wonderful surprise that is coming into your life very soon is that very soon you are going to have a conversation with a person who has been keeping you in a lot of overthinking and doubt. Now, you can be the one who is going to take the initiative of initiating this conversation, because very likely that this person has not responded to the questions that you have asked. This person has not answered your texts, and it is an important question for you. Now, the best part over here is that you yourself are moving out of a place where you were constantly overthinking the situation, where you were constantly waiting for the message to come, waiting for the reply to come. But now you have started creating very healthy boundaries. So this is the healing or the shadow work that you have done. And now you are saying that if I don't get the clear answers, then perhaps this is not the right person for me, or at this point in time, this relationship needs to take a break and heal. And both of you very likely need healing. So you're going to have a conversation with this person very soon, and the advice to you is to ask the questions clearly. Do not hesitate in asking the questions with the fear that if I ask these direct questions, the relationship is going to break. No. The person who is meant for you will listen to those questions, make you feel safe, will not guilt trip you, will not be defensive that how can you tell me these things, will not be avoidant, as in not sitting down and discussing with you what your fears are about. The right person will appreciate the questions. If they are not in the space to answer, then they will say as much that I'd like to think about it, but I will definitely come back to you with an answer. Or they will say that let's sit down and discuss about it. I would like to understand more. So you are going to be learning very soon whether this person in your life, this relationship in your life, is it the one that is meant for you? Because now you're going to be coming with very strong boundaries. So put out those tough questions, have that tough conversation. Do not be afraid of whether the relationship is going to break, because ultimately it is taking you to a place where you are going to heal. And it is going to be it's going to be a very empowering journey for you, because now you are learning to ask the right questions without any fear. And when you ask the right questions, it is only then that you learn, are these the right people in my life? My private readings are open. The details are there in the caption. I will now move on to pile number 2. So for all of you who chose the sea green bracelet, what is the wonderful surprise that is coming into your life? Okay, the wonderful surprise that is coming into your life very soon is that there is something that you have been working very, very hard on. You've been patient, you've been dedicated, you have been determined, you have taken the small steps, and you have not been thrown off track even when the progress was very slow. For a very long time you were not able to see the results, but you hung in there. You kept yourself on track, and now you are starting to see the results. Now you are starting to see the how seed sprouts, and you can see the first leaves, and it gives you that wonderful feeling of joy in your heart that finally my results are bearing fruit. And yes, your results are bearing fruit. You can now sit back and smile. If this has not come into your life, this is coming into your life very soon. It could be a career you were working towards and you were studying and learning something. It could be a higher studies that you wanted to do and you are getting the results of that you have been selected, or that you have been selected for round 2, or that you have finally cleared all the rounds. It could have been a job that you were working towards and upskilling yourself in the bargain, and you are going to get the news that the job is yours. So you can sit back, relax and be very happy about all the hard work, because the next step is coming. Now, the next step that is coming to you is going to be where you will meet lots of people who will support you on this journey. And what you're going to see is that you and these other people, the vision is the same. You're holding the same vision. But every person has a different way of approaching that same goal. So your advice over here is that listen to the different opinions. It is always nice to expose our thinking to fresh ideas, and then see what is it that I really want to do, what is the vision that I hold, and these opinions around me, this advice around me, or this knowledge around me, how is it aligning with my vision, and is it really taking me where I want to? That will be your advice over here, not to simply dismiss these, but to stay open and listen to these, because ultimately everything is going to take you towards the vision that you are building for yourself. My private readings are open. The details are there in the caption. I'll be back with another reading soon. You have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.